Question number 1. Which is the area-wise largest state in India? Option A. Gujarat. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is option D. Rajasthan. Question number 2. Which is the area-wise smallest state in India? Option A. Pondicherry. B. Sikkim. C. Goa. D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option C. Goa. Question number 3. Which state has the highest population in India? Option A. Karnataka. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 4. Which state has the least population in India? Option A. Tripura. B. Sikkim. C. Goa. D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option B. Sikkim. Question number 5. Which is the most literate state in India? Option A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Punjab. The correct answer is option C. Kerala. Question number 6. Which is the least literate state in India? Option A. Bihar. B. Sikkim. C. Haryana. D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option A. Bihar. Question number 7. Which Indian state has its boundaries with 7 states and 2 countries? Option A. Meghalaya. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Assam. The correct answer is option D. Assam. Question number 8. Which state surrounded on 3 sides by Bangladesh? Option A. Tripura. B. Sikkim. C. Nagaland. D. Mizoram. Correct answer is option A. Tripura. Question number 9. Which state surrounded by 1 state and 3 countries? Option A. Tripura. B. Sikkim. C. Nagaland. D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option B. Sikkim. Question number 10. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Option A. Karnataka. B. Odisha. C. Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. Gujarat. Question number 11. Which is the largest union territory in India in terms of area? Option A. Delhi. B. Puducherry. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 12. Which is the smallest union territory in India in terms of area? Option A. Ladakh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Chandigarh. D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option D. Lakshadweep. Question number 13. Which is the largest union territory in India by population? Option A. Delhi. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Puducherry. D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 14. Which is the smallest union territory in India by population? Option A. Ladakh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Andaman and Nicobar. D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option D. Lakshadweep. Question number 15. Which is the largest district in India by area? Option A. Kutch of Gujarat. B. Leh of Jammu and Kashmir. C. Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. D. Bikaner of Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A. Kutch of Gujarat. Question number 16. Which is the smallest district in India by area? Option A, Mahe of Puducherry. D. Central Delhi of Delhi. C. Lakshadweep of Lakshadweep. D. Yanam of Puducherry. The correct answer is option A, Mahe of Puducherry. Question number 17. Which is the densely populated state in India? Option A, Bihar. B. West Bengal. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. The correct answer is option A, Bihar. Question number 18. Which state has least population density in India? Option A, Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Tripura. The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 19. Which is the largest island in India? Option A, Majuli of Assam. B. The Great Nicobar Island. C. Munro Island of Kerala. D. Diwar Island of Goa. The correct answer is option B, the Great Nicobar Island of Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 20. Which is the northernmost point of India? Option A, Indira Col of Siachen Glacier. Option B, Indira Point of Great Nicobar Island. C. Sir Creek in Kutch District. D. Kibitu of Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Indira Col of Siachen Glacier. Question number 21. Which is the southernmost point of India? Option A, Indira Col of Siachen Glacier. B. Indira Point of Great Nicobar Island. C. Sir Creek in Kutch District. D. Kibitu of Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Indira Point of Great Nicobar Island. Question number 22. Which is the westernmost point of India? Option A, Indira Col of Siachen Glacier. B. Indira Point of Great Nicobar Island. C. Guharmoti in Kutch District. D. Kibitu of Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Guharmoti in Kutch District. Question number 23. Which is the easternmost point of India? Option A, Indira Col of Siachen Glacier. B. Indira Point of Great Nicobar Island. C. Guharmoti in Kutch District. D. Kibitu of Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option D, Kibitu of Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 24. Which is the highest peak in India? Option A, Mount Lakshmi. B. Dunagiri. C. Nanda Devi. D. Kanchanajunga. The correct answer is option D, Kanchanajunga. Question number 25. Which is the lowest point in India? Option A, Mahe of Puducherry. B. Mangalore of Karnataka. C. Kuttanad of Kerala. D. Chennai of Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option C, Kuttanadu of Kerala. Question number 26. Which is the coldest place in India? Option A, Tawang of Arunachal Pradesh. B. Kaza of Himachal Pradesh. C. Dras of Jammu and Kashmir. D. Gangtok of Sikkim. The correct answer is option C, Dras of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 27. Which is the hottest place in India? Option A, Bilaspur of Rajasthan. B. Sri Ganganagar of Rajasthan. C. Vijayawada of Andhra Pradesh. D. Jhansi of Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Sri Ganganagar of Rajasthan. Question number 28. Which is the wettest place in India? Option A, Mausinram of Meghalaya. B. Agumbe of Karnataka. C. Cherrapunji of Meghalaya. D. Amboli of Maharashtra. The correct answer is option A, Mawsynram of Meghalaya. Question number 29. Which is the smallest desert in India? Option A, Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. B, Cold Desert Spiti of Himachal Pradesh. C, Thar Desert. D, Banni Grasslands of Gujarat. The correct answer is option B, Cold Desert Spiti of Himachal Pradesh. Question number 30. Which is the largest desert in India? Option A, Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. B, Cold Desert Spiti of Himachal Pradesh. C, Thar Desert. D, Banni Grasslands of Gujarat. The correct answer is option C, Thar Desert. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.